Alright guys, so this is my truck after the front Levelingkit from Supreme, the 3.5. That's how it sits right now. In person, it's kind of hard to tell in the video. In person, the front does sit a little bit higher, so I am still going to do that 1.5 Levelingkit in the rear from Supreme. Overall, the truck looks pretty good how it sits. Came out pretty great. Drives great. I know there was a lot about the axles being too angled and the upper ball joint being too bent with the 3.5 and wearing. As far as I've seen, doesn't look too bad. I'll show you guys real quick. That was the upper ball joint, and here's the axle. Overall, has a light little angle, nothing too crazy. Got the Alpha Rex headlights. Overall, this is pretty good. You can see from this angle a little bit better. Front does sit a little bit higher, and I will be doing the 1.5 in the rear. I'll also make a video about that, and I'll do a final view of the truck with the full Levelingkit installed. Rides great, no issues. Didn't notice anything too different. So that's it.